The brave little turtle. Tommy was a little turtle who wanted to explore the big ocean. He watched his friends swim away, but felt too scared. One day, he decided to be brave. Today is the day, he said to himself. Slowly, Tommy swam to the shore and took his first dip into the water. The ocean was beautiful, with colorful fish and swaying seaweed. Tommy's heart raced, but he felt free. As he swam further, he noticed a group of fish trapped in a net. Tommy remembered his friends telling him stories about being brave. He mustered all his courage and swam to the fish. "Don't worry, I'll help you," he said. Using his hard shell, Tommy pushed against the net until it broke. The fish cheered, thanking him for his bravery. Tommy realized that exploring the ocean was not just about seeing new places, but also about helping others. From that day on, he became known as the brave little turtle, inspiring others to be courageous and kind. Tommy learned that every adventure starts with a single step and that bravery can change the world around him.